happened?
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
It's okay. Please don't cry.
We don't have any flour left.
What's going on here?
We wanted to surprise Mom because tomorrow is her birthday. Tom, wait. Don't tell Mom the results yet. She's feeling sad. Why is Mom sad? I don't know. Let's watch her for a moment.
Tomorrow is my birthday. I want if everyone remembers. Usually by this time, they would have prepared everything already.
Mom's birthday. Oh! All right, come with me. Tomorrow is Mom's birthday. What should we prepare? We can make a birthday cake.
Can we make it alone?
Yes, but we need money.
I have coins upstairs. Bring them carefully, Tom. I will be careful. Here is my coin. I saved for a long time.
Great, let us count it. We have enough for flour.
What about strawberries?
Strawberries cost more money, Tom.
Can Dad give us money?
No, it must be a surprise.
Then we need a plan.
First, we ask Grandma for work.
Grandma likes clean windows.
Good morning, Grandma. Can we help today?
Good morning, Rose. I need some help with cleaning. My windows look dirty and need to be cleaned. Please clean every window.
I will work hard and clean well, Grandma. Take it slow, Tom. Be careful. The window is looking nice and clean now. I cannot reach higher. Use the small chair. Hold the chair tightly. I feel safe now and can reach higher. Ha-ha!
You both did a great job. Children should be taught to do chores while they're young.
Can we help again?
Sure, the next time. And here is your payment.
Thank you, Grandma. We earned some more money today.
Grandma, if you ever need any cleaning done again, just give me a call. Haha!
Still not enough. We need another job.
Who needs our help? Look, Mrs. Green is washing her car. Maybe we can help her.
Excuse me, may we help wash your car?
Of course, I'd really appreciate the help. Please make sure every side is nice and clean.
Don't worry, we'll have it sparkling in no time.
Let's scrub the wheels extra carefully.
The soap makes everything sparkle. Oops, I'm so sorry, Rose.
It's okay, just watch the bucket next time.
My car looks absolutely wonderful.
We're so glad you like it.
You've both earned this.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Green.
We're getting so close now.
We just need to buy the eggs.
Dad is coming home.
Should we hide the jar? Quick, hide the jar! Dad mustn't see it.
Where have you two been today?
We were helping Grandma.
Did everything go all right?
Yes, everything went great.
Why is your backpack so heavy?
It's full of books.
Come inside. Lunch is ready.
Lunch is ready, everyone.
Thanks, Mom.
Why are you so quiet today?
I'm just a little tired.
Something seems different today.
I think they're hiding something.
Let's count the money again.
We still need a little more.
We only need $10 more.
How can we earn it?
The park is really crowded, and it's so hot today, Tom.
I have an idea, Rose. Let's sell some cold lemonade.
Our lemonade stand is all set. Now we just have to wait for our first customer.
I'm sure lots of people are thirsty today.
What are you two doing here?
We're doing a little job, Dad.
Did someone give you permission?
Grandma said it was okay.
My dear, I'm so proud to see all of you confidently selling. Just be careful. I have to go now.
We will, Dad. We promise. Would you like a cup of lemonade?
Yes, I'd love one, please. This lemonade is delicious.
Thank you so much. We're almost at our goal.
Does this mean we can buy everything?
We finally have enough.
Let's go to the bakery.
We'd like these baking supplies, please.
Certainly. Let's get those for you. That will be $10.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All our hard work paid off. Mom is going to be so happy.
What's in the bag?
Just some school supplies, Mom. Today we have a lot of things to do, Mom.
Let's head home. It's getting late, kids.
Yes, Mom. So what's for dinner today?
We're having roasted chicken and fresh salad, your favorite.
Yay! I can't wait!
They've been keeping secrets.
I've noticed that too. Today, they're selling lemonade at the park.
Selling lemonade? What?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me?
I was going to tell you tomorrow.
Let's quietly keep an eye on them. They're growing up.
Now no one will find them.
Tomorrow will be perfect.
I wonder if anyone will remember my birthday.
I saw Mom sitting on a chair. She looks so sad.
We have to finish this soon.
I learned on the internet. Let's mix the flour first.
What should we add next?
Now add the 2 eggs.
The batter is getting nice and smooth.
Pour the batter in slowly.
I've got it.
The batter is ruined.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
It's okay. Please don't cry.
We don't have any flour left.
What's going on here?
We wanted to surprise Mom because tomorrow is her birthday.
Rose, why didn't you tell Dad?
Because we wanted it to be a surprise.
I'm so proud of how much you both love your mom.
Can we start over?
Don't worry, I'll help you finish it. Why did you keep it all a secret?
We just wanted to make Mom smile.
Okay, I understand. Let's do it together. Good news! We still have some flour.
Really, Dad?
Come on, let's bake it together.
Thank you, Dad. Mom will be happy when she knows. Add the sugar nice and slowly. I won't spill it this time.
Now spread the cream nice and evenly.
I'll make it look perfect.
Now all we have to do is wait.
How long will it take, Dad?
About 30 minutes.
I can't wait!
If we don't bake it for at least 30 minutes, the cake will turn out bad and we won't be able to eat it.
The cake looks beautiful.
Can we decorate it now?
Yes, certainly.
Place each strawberry gently. Wow, it looks amazing!
Be careful around the candles.
Don't worry, Dad. I will.
Mia, I have a surprise for you.
Can I come in now?
Just one more minute. It's almost ready. Just one more step.
Can I open my eyes now?
Mom, close your eyes, please.
All right, I trust you.
Happy birthday, Mom!
I'm so surprised by all of this. Everything so thoughtfully. Thank you.
You're the #1 mom, my love. We're one family and we'll always remember each other's special days. Happy birthday, Mom!
Thank you, my wonderful family.
Mom, I have a gift for you.
Is this really for me?
Yes, Mom, go ahead, open it.
Did you make this card yourselves?
Yes, we made it together.
Seeing you smile is the greatest gift.
My heart is so full.
Love you. Tom and Rose bought this cake for you. They helped clean Grandma's house, washed cars, and even sold homemade lemonade to earn the money.
Our children have really grown up. I'm so proud of them.
Mom, please have the first slice.
It looks absolutely delicious.
Dad, Tom and me prepared it for you.
This cake is absolutely wonderful.
I helped mix the batter.
You worked so hard for this.
Rose helped me every step.
You took such good care of everyone.
Because family always comes first. Mom and Dad, we work together for your smile. Love is never too small.
Kind children make every home brighter.
Parents raise children with love.
Children return love with kind hearts.
Family comes first. Always care for your parents and your loved ones. Yes, Tom, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.